remember, on older Hondas, if there's oil under it, fresh oil, there's oil in it. Now, if there isn't any like fresh oil, then you gotta start worrying. So in order to remove that, you need to remove these 2 bolts, and then this, and then that, and then that. No, just kidding. You just need actually a flathead. And then you just pry it out. You don't.
You just go this way.
You stick it in way, and just work it out without breaking
this way,
it.
That way, and then back to this way.
And look, it's out.
It's out. So that's pretty easy. And then we have the replacement one right here.
So what you do is you get the new one.
And then
coat the O-ring.
Yeah, as you can see a big difference in the O-ring. This is like pretty flat versus this one's like rounded off a little bit.
Focus.
Maybe.
Focus. Yeah. So that bottom one's the old one that we just pulled off, and that O-ring is flattened out and it's all crusty. That new one is right up on top, and it's full of life and looks like it'll last another 100,000 miles.
Yeah. So this car is literally at 169,000 miles on it. But yeah, 169,000 miles. But this is like pretty much the first seal that we're actually replacing on this car. It's my dad's car.
No, I just got you back in the light. Just focused it.
So this car has been at 170,000 miles, and this is the first thing we're actually replacing on it. Besides all the basic stuff, you know, take care of the car. It's gonna run like a champ. So of course we gotta put some lubricant on it, some little oil, and then pop it right back in.
You just pop it in.
There you go. That's it.
You just
pop it in. So yeah. So we're gonna grab some oil, grab it from the inside. Whoop. Make sure you don't lose your finger.
One finger technique. It's a tight hole.
Yeah. So what's the purpose of putting oil on here, Jay? You want to explain that?
You don't want to go in dry. Never go in dry, or else you'll start ripping and tearing stuff.
And that's definitely not something you want to do or experience. Like,
yeah, you always have to lubricate your O-ring before you put it in. Now you just kind of work it in. If Metal can get it.
Well, I lubed it up. Oh, dude, if I break this shit, fuck. That's how you know it's a fresh plug. Doesn't want to go in. Oh my god.
There you go. See?
And then pops right in, and we good. We golden, baby.
So what he didn't show you, because his big hands, his big gorilla hands were in the way, is you have those 4 tabs all the way around. You put the bottom 2 in, and then at the top, you kind of like assist it in. So as you're pushing in, you take your finger,
push that down a little
you push
bit.
that 1 tab in, kind of put it in a little bit, and then you take your other finger, sorry, same finger. It's an early morning, and you kind of push in the other tab, and then push it in, and then all you have to do is completely snap it in, and you'll hear a nice clunk or click,
whatever you want to say.
Yeah,
and nice little pop.
Nice little pop, and that's how you replace your camshaft seal, the rear plug seal.
Yeah, and if you hear a pop, if you hear a crack, then you just went too far.
It's just a little too far, and that's your part number that you need to go after again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.